At VADANIA, we've created our push-to-open drawer sliders to be quiet, discreet, and easy to use. Simply push the drawer to activate a soft spring mechanism that drives the drawer open. VADANIA sliders are made from the best parts and featuring a three-fold extension system. Metal ball bearings help guide the drawer in a slow and fluid motion, allowing the push-to-open mechanism to be used many times. Push-to-open sliders are easy to install. Simply use the provided screws to mount the slider on each side of the drawer. Separate the slider for installation and drill into place on each side of the drawer. You will need equal drill points on each side of the drawer as well as the drawer housing. Now that your drawers are secured, you can start enjoying the convenience of the VADANIA Push-to-Open system. Enjoy peace of mind knowing your cabinets are protected with your new sliders and no longer need handles that easily break or fall off.